Hello, and welcome to my presentation of BlackBox. So what's the problem? Data is everywhere. It's in Facebook, it's at Google, it's at Apple, it's at all the major tech companies. The only problem, it's not in the hands of those who made it. I can't do anything with my data, you can't do anything with your data. It's because we don't have access to it. Also, data is being wasted. Every click of the mouse, every website you visit, it's not being saved and analyzed. It's a complete waste. The average American uses 80 megabytes of mobile, that's mobile, just on your phones, of data per day. Do you know where all that data is going? Do you know what you do every day? Each website you visit is an important information that can be used to analyze who you are and create a very personal experience. So how can we manage and use our own personal data? What's that even mean? Well, personal data, each click, like I was saying, each click of the mouse, every website you visit, kind of describes a little bit of who you are. If you go on entrepreneurship sites, maybe you like entrepreneurship. If you go on sports sites, you're probably going to like sports more. And that applies to every application you have on your computer and every website or text message or even email that you send. So what is BlackBox? BlackBox is a revolutionary application used to retrieve, sort, and analyze your personal data for your personal use. Basically, it allows you to aggregate all of your data across all of your platforms from Facebook, Twitter, iTunes, Skype, text, email, and brings it all into one spot. Like I said, it's a central data aggregation platform, an analytic tool. It collects all your data, you analyze it, and you can then give that data to whoever you want to improve whatever you want. So it's kind of done in a three-step process, this whole system here. Step one is to retrieve the data. You retrieve from Facebook, Twitter, your notes, your text messages, your Evernotes, your Instagrams, anywhere you can think of, a video game achievement. It's all important information that describes who you are and your life. Once this data is retrieved, you want to tag it to give it a little bit more data, metadata, if you will. And then what you want to do is you want to analyze it. So below, what you see is a word cloud of my data that I collected on myself for 30 days. And then I made a word cloud. It's a simple analytic tool that just brings out the more used words. You see words like technology, Apple, 3-day startup is in there, Texas A&M, some countries that I pay attention to, stocks. All these words define me as a person, and no two word clouds between two different people will ever be the same. That's really awesome. If I gave this word cloud or this set of data and this analysis to a company like Pandora or a Google, like what could they do? And maybe they could provide a better service to me. Pandora could provide a better chance that their next song improves. Google would be able to provide me very customized search results. No, Google knows I'm not a doctor. Google knows I like entrepreneurship. So when I Google MVP, it's not searching for most valuable player. It's searching for minimum viable product because it knows who I am. Or we can simply keep it for personal use and improve our own lives, such as health tracking and tracking of any other sorts of data. So come join me, send me an email. My email is wesley.vance@mac.com. Comments and thoughts are very helpful. This is many applications useful in AI, artificial intelligence, and has a vast future. Thanks for listening to my presentation.